Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we will be going over how to install the Arlo Chime 2. Please note that the Arlo Chime 2 can only be added through the Arlo app. It cannot be added via the Arlo web portal my.arlo.com. Let's get started. Open your Arlo app and from the dashboard page, select the plus icon in the top right corner. From here, select Add a device, and next select Doorbells and Chimes. You will need to scroll down to find Chimes. Once found, you will need to select Chime 2 and tap Continue at the bottom when you are ready. The Chime 2 requires you to scan the QR code that is located on the back of it. You will need to grant permission for the Arlo app to use your phone's camera if you haven't already. Next, hover your camera over the QR code to scan. If the camera isn't focusing on the QR code, we recommend taking a picture on a second device and zooming in on the QR code to scan it. Once the QR code is scanned, plug your Chime into an outlet and wait for the LED on the front to start fading white. Once it starts fading, tap on Yes, Continue. If there is no LED on the Chime, we recommend trying a different outlet. Next, you will get a pop-up to join an Arlo network. Here, tap Join. It might take a minute or two to connect. This network is created by the Chime in order to connect to your Wi-Fi and send setup details. If you get a pop-up that you are unable to join the Arlo network, ensure that in app settings, you have allowed access to local network, and tap on Try Again and rescan the QR code. Once connected to the local network, you will need to select the 2.4 GHz network that the Chime will connect to. Select from the list and tap Continue or choose to enter the credentials manually. Next, enter the network password. After tapping Continue, the app will start searching for the Chime, and once found, you can name it. After naming it, the Chime will check for any firmware updates that may be available. After updating, you can choose to pair your Chime 2 with a doorbell if you have one installed already. Test the Chime by clicking the doorbell button to see if you can hear the Chime ring. Next, you can customize the melody and volume of the Chime ring, and that's it. Your Chime is set up and ready to use. We hope these steps assist you in setting up your Arlo Chime 2. If the problem persists after all these steps, reach out to Arlo support. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.